Hi! In this video, we will show you how to create Contra predefined forms, which will be used in the Upload Contract and Document option. This dynamic form is based on a template of questionnaires, providing you with the flexibility to choose the fields you want to include. You can spread these fields across multiple pages for a user-friendly experience. To begin, navigate to the System settings under Contracts and Documents. Then, select Upload Contract Document Forms. Here, you'll find a list of your predefined forms, where you can clone, delete, edit, or add a new one. The system provides a default form to be used if you haven't created your own. When adding a new form, you'll need to fill out several fields. Start by giving the form a name and specifying the type of contracts related to it. You can create as many pages as necessary. Each page can contain numerous fields, which may be system or custom fields. Choose the fields you want, assign them a display name, the name visible to users when using the form, add descriptions as necessary, and indicate whether they are mandatory fields. Repeat this process for all the pages you need, then save your changes. This form will then be available to use when uploading contracts. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.